Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a new job opportunity which is from Magnitude. If you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it, as apart from off-campus videos, we give placement guidance videos also. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is the job application portal of Magnitude. The link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the location, the roles and responsibilities, the skills required, the qualifications, the application procedure, and also at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by Magnitude for this position. So moving further, you can see that the position is Associate Software Engineer and the location will be Bangalore. Here is some description about the company. You can read it out very carefully. Moving to the roles and responsibilities, you have to design, develop, troubleshoot and debug software programs for enhancements and new products. Develop software and tools in support of design, infrastructure and technology platforms. Must be individual contributor with a high sense of ownership. Possess creative problem-solving skills and excellent troubleshooting or debugging skills. And understanding of SDLC and STLC, which is the software development lifecycle and software testing lifecycle. So coming to the skills, you must know C++ or Java. And apart from these, SQL and debugging abilities are also required. As an optional, you must know any of these given here. Coming to the minimum qualifications, you must hold a bachelor degree in CS or similar technical field or equivalent practice experience. That is, CS and IT students can apply in this. 0 to 1 year experience in one or more general purpose programming language. Experience at college projects for the same. So 2021 and 2020 batches can apply for this. And apart from these, excellent proficiency and communication skills in verbal and written English. So to apply for this position, click on this apply button. Also, it is a request from my side, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. So as I was talking about, click on this apply button, then you will be redirected to a different page. Upload your resume here, fill your first name, your last name, your email ID, your mobile number, the city which you are located in right now, your state, country, your work status, and referral if you have any. Also, you can upload your social profile as in LinkedIn. Additional files like cover letter can also be uploaded here. After filling all of these, click on this send application and then you are good to go. Now coming to the CTC which is offered by Magnitude Softwares for this position. So Magnitude is offering 4.5 LPA for this position. Apply for this opportunity right now. All the very best and thank you.